Hello everyone, and first of all, please ignore this because I've just done my upper lip, so this looks too red as of now. And yes, today my look is all about the dewy look. So dewy look is all about your face glowing and you looking fresh as ever. So the very first step which I'm going to do for this is this. This is the face mist from Plum. So I'm just going to use it all over my face. This is an amazing mist, and I've been using it from a long time now. Not very long, but like a month's time now, and it is amazing. The second step for this, which is also very essential, is this oil. This is an argan wear oil, and you can use any of your oil which you are using, or even if you're using serum, because I'm sure many of you must be using. So you can use it with that. Let's just do that. It trickles really fast, so I need to be a little fast. Okay, make sure you use it in every corner of your face. Now since this look is a little towards more natural side, so I usually use this foundation or the other one which I have, that is also from Maybelline, but it's the other one. So today I thought of mixing these two together, which is Lakme 925. This is a weightless foundation, so it's a very light foundation, basically for daily use purpose. I'm going to mix these two and let's see how it works. I had forgotten to do one step, and that was this covering these blemishes. So I put a very little bit of quantity of it because, like I said, it's a natural look. So I have only hidden those places, covered those places which I felt was, really popping up a lot on my skin. So like I said, I'll be mixing two foundations together. I've already taken the quantities of these two together. One is a liquidy form and one is a little like a thick form. The Lakme one is kind of a thick and the Maybelline one is kind of a liquidy. So now to make it look, give it a better look, because this is all about dewy look, so I want it to really look a little dewy. What I've done is I've taken one drop of this argan oil, okay, and I mix it together. Okay, so I mixed it with my hand, in fact, because I wanted it to blend really well, and whatever the traces are in my hand left over, I'll just put it. Don't waste your foundation. Okay, now I'm just going to take bits from here and start applying my foundation on my skin. Don't be really rough when you do it on the coverage area where you have put that red concealer, right? Because if you be really harsh, it'll just all mix together in your skin and your skin will look orangish. Trust me, I have done that blunder once. And this is, trust me guys, mixing two foundation together was not a bad idea, because I feel it looks amazing. So foundation part definitely takes the most of your time, and do give a lot of time to your face, because makeup depends on your face. Again, I'm using Maybelline New York, and this is in a shade medium 25. So since today's look is very subtle and towards glowy part, so I'm going to go mad over this concealer today, and just there where I really need it, that's it, not everywhere like I usually do in my videos. Okay, that's it. I'll be blending with the same, because this already has some foundation in it, some product in it, so it will blend really well, because it highlighting, I mean concealer, would all try and sorry, always take a little lighter medium than your skin. If you do that, then these parts would really highlight well on your skin. And for eyes also, I don't want to go really under the eye because I'm not using any powder today. That's it. So why I haven't used much of concealer today, reason being because I'm not going to use any I'm not going to do basically any baking because I don't want my face to look matte, and that's the reason I have used less of concealer, only to the places where I actually need it. Okay, so I'm done with this part. My eyes, I mean my eyelid, I'm going to use a little bit of powder just to set my eyelid. Okay, amount of powder. This is also from Maybelline and medium light. Eyes also, I'm going to take really natural neutral colors today. I mean just to go with my look, nothing too harsh, too bold today. So the palette I'm going to use is Revolution London, which is the Flawless 4. Okay, and the colors which I'm going to use, I'm going to tell you. It's color, this one here. Okay, reason being because this would match and be really soft into his look to give it a natural glowy look. And if you see, I'm taking it all over my eyelid. It's not done. I will be taking this and this. I'll be mixing these two colors together. Are very pretty colors. Shade. 306 is the number from L'Oreal Paris. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this as a blush. This is a very pretty pink. I usually don't use it much, but I'm going to use it as a blush today. So now I'm going to do my eyebrow with this L'Oreal Paris Brown, did I say brown? Brown Artist. Okay, this is called as Genius Kit. So these are the two shades in it, and I'm going to use this lighter one, and I'm going to use this brush which is Pro Art 28. And this step in doing look is really important and essential because obviously whatever oil and all you put, though it reflects, it shows if you see my face, but this will give you another level of glow. And you know, so basically for highlighter, I'm again using it from Makeup Revolution. Okay, that's better. Under my brow too. Now coming back to lipstick, I'm going to use this hot pink from Swiss Beauty. I'll just So I'm doing this because I want a very thin topping only, not much. And now on top of that, I'm putting this metallic glow. This is basically kind of a gloss for your lips. Will make it look more shimmery. Now for my lower line also, I'm using the same two pink shades which I used earlier, these two, mixing it together, taking a little bit. I'm just running it through my lower lash. Like I said, if I feel so, I'll do a little bit. So I'm just doing it on the side of my face, not much. So I have put my lashes also. I did not do anything with the kajal or eyeliner today because it's a basic dewy look, and dewy look is not complete yet because if you wear anything in strappy, obviously you would not want your body to look different than your face. So all the high points of your body, just make sure to put this highlighter there, right, so that it looks similar to your face. I think hands are working better than the brushes today. And this is the last step, you can say, which is the makeup fixer. If you don't have a makeup fixer, you can also use the mist which I had used in the first step, but make sure it's in a very less quantity, not similar to the one which I used it earlier. The quantity should be really less. Now the makeup fixer, let it dry. And that's my final look, guys. So this is basically the dewy look. So I added an extra highlighter to my face, but just in case if you want to not make it so shimmery and just keep it a little bit lesser than this, then definitely you can put a little bit of highlighter, I mean lesser than mine. But the first step which I did was a face mist at the oil. That is very essential to make it a dewy look, so don't forget to add that to your dewy look whenever you are creating this one. And do let me know what you felt, and do share your feedbacks, your comments, whatever. So yes, that's my look, guys, and I can talk like for hours with you all, but I have to go now. Bye.